on batch processing overnight or some way, and for analysis purpose this system is being used. Warehouse holds the historical data. There are two scenarios. First scenario says importance of data integration. Second scenario says importance of another system for analysis purpose. Let's use another scenario, third scenario, and it's very generic. There's a company called Cakes and Cookies is a small company. It's a very small company, and is a new company, small and new company. The president of the company wants the company should grow. It's a very generic term. He needs information so that he make correct decision what he needs. The backbone of any business these days is the data. The business or is the information. Business relies on information. If you look around, everywhere all analysis is done, decision is taken on, on information available to them. And on the television we see, the advertisement, but there is a lot of analysis done on that. What time the advertisement should be displayed, to what category of user, what should be the color, and for everything there is a great analysis done. So let's take this analysis and let's talk about some sample kind of analysis. I have an Excel sheet and I'm going to show you some basic kind of analysis in my system. Let's talk some interesting analysis first. This analysis even Google uses. So let's see in real world. So my question is, this is a real time question. In which month I should think of job change, right? Or my other question, other way around, which month is not considered good for OBI job? Which month I should not think of job hunting? Okay. Which month there are large number of openings in other way around? How does it work? So there's a site called trends.google.com which works on trending analysis. We are going to talk about trend analysis, pattern analysis, trend analysis, how it really works in real world. So I want to find out which month there are few jobs in OBI or Hyperion. Yes, Hyperion. Oracle Hyperion. Okay. By this trend you can see it is started in 2007 and constantly growing like that. Let's see for the current year or last year. So you find one thing, let me look at for all year. It's not very clearly visible for OBI Hyperion. It says every month in the month of December there is a sharp decline in access, sharp decline in the chart. If I look at OBI, this show you more clearly. See, every year in the month of last month, every year there is a decline, and this is a pattern. This happens every year. So why does it happen? First we find the trend. It is happening every year. You look at Oracle also, any technology. Every year there is a sharp decline, right, in the last month of every year. Why? Because in the month of December there is a festival, Christmas. Because of that everything is sluggish, or your business comes back to the business as usual, no new initiative taken. This is a kind of trend analysis. So naturally when you hunt job, you don't choose December as the month. So the similar kind of trend analysis I'm going to show you over here. So your business manager wants his business to grow. Naturally he'll not choose in the month of December. So which month I should not choose? Who gives you information? Your analysis. Okay. So the same thing I had drawn over here. We are trying to compare 3-year sales for the city Florida, 2006, 7, 8, 3-year sales we are trying to find out, monthly sales. And when I plot a chart on this, we found very interesting fact. Every month, every year in the month of February, my sales goes down, and this become a pattern. And how do you get to know this pattern? By analyzing the information. And how do you analyze? You need to have some tools. First, you need to have some data, information, and you need some tool to analyze you this information. So this is when I use term analysis, this is generic, it is not specific. This is one kind of analysis. Let's see future analysis, trending we call. That was trending, and this is forecast analysis. In forecast analysis, we want to analyze sales and expenses for my business and the margin. This is my sales, every month sales, every month expenses, and the profit or the margin, sales minus expenses and margin percent, right? You can see the data in 3 color. In blue color, the data says actual data. I'm assuming the current month is July. So we have data for in blue color, actual data, and the data in pink color is a forecast data. It is not actual forecasting, we are assuming. I'm just assuming what could be my sales in December. So I designed 2 charts. First chart I plot based on actual sales for the month of January till June, or this is my chart. If you look at carefully, you find this is my revenue. Sorry, this is my revenue and this is my expenses. Pink is my revenue and blue is my expenses. Over the period of time, my revenue and expense are coming close. It means my let me correct. The blue color is sales, pink color is operating cost, and the difference between them is getting shrink, which is revenue. So over the period of time, you can see month by month, the difference between sales and operating cost is getting shrink. So my revenue is getting shrink. If this continues to happen in future also, what will be the consequences? If this continues to happen in future, one day in the mid of October, my operating cost would be higher than my revenue. And at this point, my revenue would be 0. And further to this time, my revenue would be negative revenue.